Ay, sayang, hindi ko nakakita na
Buti na ka na maayos
pinadrawing.
yung drawing niya.
Ay, ayan o. Si Reinhard lang po ang nag-drawing nito.
Daddy.
What's this?
Daddy.
Yeah, good job. What's this?
What's that?
Hair?
Yeah.
This one?
Neck.
Neck. Mouth.
Mouth.
Nose.
Nose. Tugturo mo dalawang
What's this?
bilog.
Eyes.
Ay.
What's this dot dot dot?
Ipple.
What?
Ipple.
What's that?
Eyebrow?
Eyebrow.
No, eyebrow daw sa taas.
What's this one?
What is the dot dot?
Pick.
What?
Paper.
Pepper.
But
Ouchie.
Daddy has pepper on his face.
Yes. Daddy.
Yes, I'll keep this ha.
Oh, first
I look
drawing ni
like potato.
Ryan. We show this to Teacher Glenn, okay?
I look like potato.
Oo.